Welcome to your midweek power surge, the quick boost you need to refuel, refocus, and lead with confidence. Leadership isn't just about the title, it's about the impact you make every single day. Whether you're stepping into a leadership role, still in the classroom but preparing for a move into leadership, or already leading your team, these short episodes are designed to keep you empowered, encouraged, and equipped for the journey. And the truth is, empowered leaders empower others. And that starts with showing up with clarity, purpose, and passion. So let's tap into the power within you, the calling God has placed on your heart, and the leadership you're meant to walk in. This is your weekly power surge. Let's go. All right, guys. So last week we talked about testing season. And I told you to stop winging it and start leading it with systems. And then I mentioned creating a protocol so you have test success. Some of you reached out and were like, okay, but where is it? Because I did tell you to reach out to me if you would like a copy. So I decided to create the whole test success protocol. And I'm just going to give it to you. I'm going to put it in the show notes, the link in the show notes, so you can just get to it and get started. What I want you to do is use this. It's going to force you to make a copy. And what I want you to do is once you make that copy, I want you to own it. I want you to delete the parts that don't apply to you. I want you to add your specific context. I want you to add your specific people. I want you to make it your own. Then you can use it time after time, year after year, and all you have to do is tweak the parts that need to be tweaked, like people who have changed, and your schedule, things like that. So last week we talked about 3 things: leader, logistics, and learning, and how when those 3 things are aligned, testing season really stops feeling very chaotic and it really starts to feel very controlled. And that's great for you as a leader when you have control over the testing in your building. But knowing that isn't enough. You need something that you can actually use. So in the test success protocol, I've laid out step-by-step systems for you. What to do before testing, what to do during testing, and what to do after testing. So nothing gets missed and nothing falls through the cracks. Inside the protocol, you will also find an assessment dashboard, which you can use to track all of your things pre, during, and post-test. I made drop downs for you. I also preloaded some tasks that you might need. If you don't need them, delete it. You're also going to be forced to make a copy so you won't be messing anything up. And remember, you can always go back to your history if you do mess something up, and you can choose a date where it wasn't messed up and you can restore it. There's a principals dashboard which has everything on it, and then that feeds into individual tabs labeled pre-test, during test, and post-test. So let's jump back to the protocol and let me give you a quick snapshot so you know how to use it. So in the pre-test section, this is where you win or lose everything, guys. You set the tone as a leader. So lock in your logistics, prepare your students and your staff with purpose. If this part isn't strong, then testing week will feel stressful. During the test, this is your execution part. You need to have clear communication, calm environment, real-time problem solving, not be reactive, but be proactive and be ready. And then, of course, in the post-test, this is where most people skip. Celebrate effort, reset your team, prepare to actually use the data, because the goal isn't just to test, it's to learn from it. So here's what I want you to do. If you need something that helps you organize all of testing season, which is probably 2 weeks, jump in to the show notes and click on Test Success Protocol. It's free. It's practical, and you can literally start using it this week to prep for testing. Here's your power surge statement. I don't wait for testing season to happen. I prepare for it with systems that work. This has been your midweek power surge. It's exactly what you need to keep leading with confidence. Remember, empowered leaders empower others, and that starts with you. Keep showing up, keep keep growing, and keep making an impact.